severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 39, effective until 4 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following counties: in Wisconsin, Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hiasta to near Galena to Mount Carroll, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. These storms have a history of producing 50 to 60 miles per hour. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Calamine, Lamont, Belmont, Darlington, Brodhead, Rui, Judah, Fayette, Wheeler, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, Linden, Waldwick, New Diggings, Argyle, Albany, Gratiot, Platte Mounds, Lead Mine, Monroe, and Benton. Other landmarks included are the following locations: York Memorial Church and Iowa Grant School. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.